Welcome to our comparison of the GIGABYTE B650 AORUS Elite AX and the MSI PRO B650-S Wi-Fi motherboards. In this video, we will delve into the specifications, performance, and features of both motherboards to help you make an informed decision. Whether you're a gamer or a PC builder, choosing the right motherboard is crucial for your build. Let's get started. When it comes to pricing, the GIGABYTE B650 AORUS Elite AX is priced at $219, making it a premium option. In contrast, the MSI PRO B650-S Wi-Fi is more budget-friendly at $169. This significant price difference can influence your decision depending on your budget and requirements for features. Another critical aspect to consider is the PCIe support. The GIGABYTE B650 AORUS Elite AX supports PCIe 5.0, which offers higher bandwidth for faster data transfer rates. On the other hand, the MSI PRO B650-S Wi-Fi supports PCIe 4.0, which, while still capable, does not match the speed of PCIe 5.0. This difference can impact future-proofing your build. In terms of features, the GIGABYTE B650 AORUS Elite AX comes equipped with advanced functionalities such as Smart Fan 6 and QFlash Plus, enhancing user experience and performance. Conversely, the MSI PRO B650-S Wi-Fi, while still offering essential features, lacks some of the advanced options found in its competitor. This could be a deciding factor for users looking for specific functionalities. To summarize, the GIGABYTE B650 AORUS Elite AX is a high-end motherboard with top-tier features, while the MSI PRO B650-S Wi-Fi offers great value for a more budget-conscious build. Your choice will depend on your specific needs and budget. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content.